In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use MetaMask Wallet. To get started, go to the official MetaMask website and download the browser extension or mobile app depending on the device you want to use. It's important to make sure you're installing the official version since wallets are a common target for scams. Once it's installed, open MetaMask and choose whether you want to create a new wallet or import an existing one. If you're setting up a brand new wallet, select Create a New Wallet. You'll be asked to set a strong password. This password helps protect access to the wallet on your device, so make it something secure and memorable. Then simply follow the on-screen setup instructions to continue. One of the most important parts of the setup is your secret recovery phrase. MetaMask will show you this phrase during the process. You need to write it down and store it somewhere safe and private. This phrase is the key to recovering your wallet if you lose access to your device. Never share it with anyone, and remember that legitimate support will never ask for it. Next, it helps to understand your wallet address. Your MetaMask wallet includes a public address that usually starts with 0x. This is the address you can share when someone needs to send you compatible cryptocurrency. Think of it like your public receiving address, while your recovery phrase stays completely private. When you're ready to add funds, click Buy or Receive. Depending on what options are available in your version of MetaMask, you can purchase crypto directly in some regions or transfer it from another wallet or exchange. Just be careful to use the correct blockchain network because sending funds on the wrong network can cause problems. To send crypto, click Send and enter the recipient's wallet address. After that, choose the token you want to send and the amount. Before confirming anything, take a moment to review the network fee and transaction details. If everything looks right, confirm the transaction. You can also connect MetaMask to a trusted Web3 website. On the site, click Connect Wallet and choose MetaMask from the list. MetaMask will then show you a connection request. Review it carefully before approving, so you know exactly what access the site is requesting. If your network supports it, you can use the built-in swap feature. Choose the token you want to sell and the token you want to receive, then review the quote, the network fee, and the full transaction details. Only confirm the swap if everything looks correct. Finally, if you want to track what's happening in your wallet, open the activity section. This is where you can check sent transactions, received funds, swaps, and anything still pending. And that's the basics of using MetaMask safely and effectively.